Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Zhavin Crochet. In this video we want to make this beautiful and very nice rose square. This square is made by 3 colors of yarn and I made that with this yarn, Alize Baby Best. That's a category 3 yarn and 3mm hook. You can make this square and use for many projects such as shawls or blankets or each project you want. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, make a slip knot with first yarn and 5 chains, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now make a slip stitch into the first chain. Insert the hook into the chain and grab the yarn and pull through the first chain and this loop on the hook to create a ring. And now we should make 16 double crochets into the ring. Make 3 chains as the first double crochet and then make 15 more double crochets into the ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, yarn over, go to the ring, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. And repeat that work. Make 15 double crochets until you reach the end of the round. Now I have 16 double crochets. Join with slip stitch into the third chain of beginning chains to complete the first round. And start round 2 with 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the same chain at top of the first double crochet. After that, make 3 chains, skip the next double crochet and go to the next double crochet, make 1 single crochet here. Again, make 3 chains, skip the next double crochet and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3 chains, skip the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next, and repeat that work. We should make 3 chains and skip 1 stitch and make single crochet into the next stitch. Continue that work 4 more times. Now after last single crochet, make 3 chains and skip the last double crochet of previous round and make 1 slip stitch at top of first single crochet. Round 2 is finished and we have 8 single crochets and 8 chain 3 spaces. Now for starting round 3, go to the first chain 3 space of previous round and make 1 slip stitch into that or 1 slip stitch into first 2 chains of that. 1 and 2. And start round 3 from here with 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the space. Insert the hook, pull up a loop and pull through 2. Then go to the next chain 3 space and make 7 double crochets into that. Yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, go to the same space and make double crochet and repeat that work to have 7 stitches in total. And after that, repeat these 2 sequences. Go to the next chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet here and 7 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And repeat that sequence 2 more times. Make 1 single crochet here, 7 double crochets here, 1 single crochet here, and 7 double crochets into the last chain 3 space. Now we have 4 petals and 4 single crochets. Make 1 slip stitch at top of first single crochet to complete the first layer of petals, and then we should make the second layer behind this layer. So turn the work and go around this single crochet, the first single crochet of 2 rounds below, and insert the hook around that, grab the yarn and pull through and then pull through this loop to create one slip stitch and start round 4 from here. Make 1 chain, 1 single crochet around the same single crochet of round 2, and after that make 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. Go around the second single crochet of round 2 here, make 1 single crochet and 4 chains. Again, go around next single crochet here and make 1 single crochet and 4 chains. One more time, make 1 single crochet around next single crochet of round 2 and then make 4 chains, and continue this work and repeat that 4 more times. Now at the end, after last repeat, make 1 slip stitch at top of first single crochet and round 4 is finished, and we have 8 chain 4 spaces behind the first layer of petals, and start round 5. Make 1 slip stitch into the first chain of the first chain 4 space and into the second chain of that, and we want to start round 5 from here with 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the chain 4 space. After that, go to the next chain space and make 9 double crochets into that. Yarn over and make first double crochet. Again, go to the same space and make 1 double crochet and repeat that work 7 more times. Now, the first petal of second layer is completed. Between these 2 petals of layer 1, and then we should repeat that work. Make 1 single crochet into the next chain 4 space and 9 double crochets into the next chain 4 space. And then we should repeat this sequence 2 more times. 1 single crochet here, 9 double crochets here, again 1 single crochet here and 9 double crochets into the last chain 4 space. After making 4 petals in this layer, make 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet, and now we have 4 petals and 4 single crochets behind the first layer, and each petal of the second layer is placed between 2 petals of the first layer. And for making next layer, we should repeat these 2 rounds. So turn the work and go around the first single crochet of round 2 again here, and make 1 slip stitch and start round 6 with 1 chain and 1 single crochet around the same single crochet. After that, make 5 chains, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and go around the next single crochet from round 2 and make 1 single crochet and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains. Again, 1 single crochet around the next single crochet here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Repeat that work. 1 single crochet around the next single crochet of round 2, and after that make 5 chains, and continue this work to have 8 chain 5 spaces at the end of this round. Now at the end, make 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet, and now we have 8 chain 5 spaces behind these 2 layers, and now we should make 1 slip stitch into the first 3 chains of this chain 5 space, 1 and 2 and 3, and start next round with 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the same space. And in this round, each single crochet is placed behind each petal of layer 2. And after that, we should make 1 petal with 9 double crochets into the next chain 5 space. Yarn over and make 1 double crochet and repeat that work until have 9 double crochets. Each petal is placed between 2 petals of layer 2 or behind each petal of first layer. And after that, we should repeat this sequence 3 more times. Make 1 single crochet into the next space and 9 double crochets into the next, and again repeat that work until have 4 petals and 4 single crochets at the end. At the end, make 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet, and the third layer of petals is completed. And after that, go around the first single crochet of round 2 again, such as previous petals, and make 1 slip stitch, and then fasten off and cut the yarn. After that, for making petals of this square, go around the first single crochet of round 2 again here and attach next yarn with 1 slip stitch, and then make 1 chain and 1 single crochet around the same single crochet. Then make 5 chains and 1 single crochet around the second single crochet of round 2. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and go around the next single crochet of round 2, make 1 single crochet and 5 chains, and continue this sequence until the end of the round. Now I have 8 chain 5 spaces behind these 3 layers of petals. Make 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet, and then go to the next chain 5 space, make 1 slip stitch here, and start next round with 3 chains as a double crochet and 2 double crochets into the same space, 1 and 2. Then make 3 chains and again 3 double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, and 3. This is the first corner of the square. Then make 2 chains and go to the next space and make 3 double crochets only, 1, 2, and 3, and 2 chains. And now repeat that work. Go to the next space, make 3 double crochets here, 1, 2, and 3 chains, and again 3 double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, and 3, and then make 2 chains and 3 double crochets into the next space, 1, 2, and 3, and 2 chains. And this is the second corner of our square, and we should repeat this sequence 2 more times. Make 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and 3 double crochets here, and then make 2 chains, then 3 double crochets here and 2 chains, and repeat that work 1 more time. At the end, 4 corners of our square is completed, and now I should make 1 slip stitch into the 3rd chain of beginning chains and cut the yarn. And for making the border of the square, with 3rd yarn, attach to the corner of the square and then make 3 chains as a double crochet and 2 double crochets into the same space. Then skip next double crochet and make 1 double crochet at top of next stitch and 1 double crochet into the next and 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1 and 2. Then make 1 double crochet into the next double crochet, 1 into the next, and 1 into the next, and 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. Now make 1 double crochet into the third chain of these beginning chains and 1 double crochet at top of next double crochet, and then skip this double crochet before the second corner and go to the corner and make 3 double crochets here. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3. Again 3 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. And this is the first side of our square, and we should make next sides as the same way. Skip the first double crochet after this corner and make 1 double crochet into each of next 2 stitches, 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, and 1 double crochet at top of next double crochets, two double crochets into the next chain 2 space, and 1 double crochet into each of next 2 stitches, and then skip the last double crochet before next corner and repeat that work. Make 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and 3 double crochets here, and skip the first double crochet after this corner and continue this sequence to make next sides and next corners of the square. Now at the end, skip the last double crochet before this corner and go to the same corner and make 3 double crochets to complete the last corner. And make 1 double crochet instead of chain 3. Yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain of beginning chains, pull up a loop and pull through 2, pull through 2. And now 4 sides and 4 corners of square is completed. And if you want to make next round, you should repeat that work. Make 3 chains as a double crochet and 2 double crochets into the same corner. Then skip this double crochet and make 1 double crochet at top of each stitch of previous round until here, and skip the last stitch and then go to the corner and make 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and 3 double crochets, and again skip the first double crochet of next side and repeat that work until the end to make next sides and next corners. At the end, make 3 double crochets into the first corner and then make 3 chains and 1 slip stitch into the third chain of beginning chains and fasten off and cut the yarn. And now my beautiful 3D rose square is ready. You can make that and use for many projects. I hope this video will be useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.